Welcome back to Brazos Gear. Today we're diving into the world of cleaning products, specifically focusing on toilet cleaners. Understanding what goes into these products and how they work can help you make informed choices for a cleaner and healthier home. Let's start with understanding the key types of cleaning products you'll find on store shelves. There are several categories of cleaning products, each designed for specific cleaning tasks. Disinfectants kill germs and bacteria, while toilet bowl cleaners target stains and odors. Here's a breakdown of what typically goes into a toilet cleaner like Brazos. Most toilet cleaners contain active ingredients that tackle tough stains and kill bacteria. Hydrochloric acid and citric acid are common ingredients used to dissolve mineral deposits and stains, while bleach effectively disinfects and whitens surfaces. Let me show you how Brazos toilet cleaner works in action. Brazos toilet cleaner's thick formula clings to the bowl, allowing the active ingredients to penetrate and break down stains. Many modern cleaners, including Brazos, are formulated to be safer for the environment and your family, without compromising on cleaning power. To wrap up, understanding the ingredients in your cleaning products can help you choose the right one for your needs. Whether you're tackling stains, disinfecting surfaces, or maintaining cleanliness, knowing what's inside the bottle empowers you to make smart decisions. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and product insights. Until next time, keep your spaces clean and fresh with Brazos Gear.